Hello my YouTube friends, here on this snowy day. I just wanted to reach out a little bit. You may notice some of my videos regarding the clocks. I haven't been putting any out. I can't really sit over the bench too much. Got a little neck and upper back thing's been really haunting me for a number of years, and it really got bad. So you might see some other content as I do try and keep moving. It's difficult, but some other content you might be seeing, automotive related. I call it gas and oil. So going forward, we'll see both. We'll see, as I'm able. We'll get some digital clock, vintage digital clocks that stuff out. And then I always like to tinker. So my body can't do that. On days I feel like doing something else. Or some old videos that I have saved up. Maybe I'll compile a few things. Recently, if you go back in my video history, you can see the Mighty Cat tractor. I was heavily into those about 10-12 years ago. Recently that's been kindled back up by maybe a newfound buddy, if you will. JMP Saves Cars. He's got a Mighty Cat tractor. It's a little crawler. If you like gas and oil, antique stuff, check it out. JMP Saves Cars. Who knows? Maybe another Mighty Cat will find me. There's little cool little crawlers with a dozer blade on them. Anyway, we got videos to be broken up into playlists. So you go to my channel, you go to the playlist to separate out what you like to watch. Give me a couple comments and feedback. Let me know if I'm doing it right. I don't do it for the fame and the glory. As you can tell, I'm no video expert, but just for a little fun, keep my brain from turning to mush, and we'll see what it turns into from here on out. And there may be a name change. Jimmo 415. I might do something like tinkering with Jimmo or something like that. So just watch for that. If you do see that, that's what that's about. YouTube kind of changed their platform a while back a little bit. I never really stayed with it. So anyway, Jimmo out. Thanks for watching.